Sir, I have a doubt.
I
Yeah,
have also
sure.
doubt, sir. Please share your screen.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have also doubt in graded
So today we'll cover activity question and practice assignment, okay, of week 2. So okay, we can go number wise, like from activity 2.1.
Sir, I have a doubt. Activity two and 4, 5, 6, 7 question.
Okay, we'll go there. Okay, we'll go. So
Okay.
first,
Sir, I am also.
activity 1. This is 2.1. Is anybody have doubt in one question number
Yes, sir.
1?
Yes, sir. No, 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 no. I have a doubt in question number
No,
three,
sir.
3 and
Okay,
4, 5.
okay, okay. So there is no doubt here, right?
No,
I
sir.
have
I have a doubt.
Okay.
activity 2.5.
Question. I have doubt in a question 3, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt for activity question 2.
Hello.
Okay. Question number. Okay, sorry. We'll go. Question number 3. Any doubt?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Question number 3 doubt.
Yes, sir. Please
Okay.
explain it.
Okay, well, sir. Okay, so okay. See. Uh, the thing is relative frequency, right? Should the total, like total of that, should be equal to 1, right? Uh, so according to that, I know that the
Hello, sir.
T.
Will you
Yeah, hello.
discuss practice assignment?
Yeah, we'll go there. So first we'll cover activity question one by one, then we'll go uh to practice assignment. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir. Thanks.
so the thing is plus uh uh this number. So this number will be like 0.175 0.250 plus 0.300, right? Something. So 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7. So 0.725 should be equal to 1, right? So this one thing we have. Another thing is uh okay, another thing is uh, uh we'll get from we can get from anywhere. Like let's say this one you can take, or you can take this one. Anything you can take, okay? Uh it doesn't matter. So so the point is you should know how much is this, like so uh let's say you take 300, right? This last one, others.
Sir,
300 is,
excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, how to find number of deaths?
That's what I'm doing, no? I mean, you should know x plus y, then only you will
Yeah.
know how
Sir,
how
can
to.
you do it?
If you
Sir,
took
can you do it by
300 by x equals to 0.3, then you can
No,
calculate the total number of dates.
wait. So
sir, can you do it by
Okay,
and
go now, sir.
how much 150 represents 0.15, correct? And see, from there you can know what is the value of t. So it's like it goes like, let's say 300 is 300 is 0.3. Then how much will be 150 or something like that. So if you solve this, you can solve like 150 into 0.3 divided by 300. You'll come across that it is 0.150. Okay. So this t is 0.150, and and if you do this thing, like so the total sum should be like 0.150, right? Something. Then z should be Z should be what? How will you do that? So you have to do 1 minus the 0.725 minus 0.150, right? So that will give you the Z value. So Z value will come out to be what? That value will be if I sum this both up, it will be 5, 7, 8, 0.875. And if I subtract, so let's say you have one, right? 1.000 minus 0.875. That will be 5. So you go like 9, 9, 10, and something like that, right? So 9 minus 7 is 2 and 1. So Z is 0.125. So from this, I will know that Y will be what? 125. Because of this relation, like you you'll know that, see, the whatever value here present, like 0.25, that becomes 250, right? And 150 will represent 0.15 of the portion. So according to that, like if you see, this Y should be 125 and X should be 175. So from this you can sum it up now. Now this is like how much it is? 300, 200 plus 300, right? This is 300, this is 150 plus this is 400. So it goes like 300 plus 400 plus 300, which is equal to 1000, right? So from this you will get this answer.
Sir, can you do it by
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, first step we can add the all the relative frequencies, then it is equal to 1.
Yes.
After
Yeah.
what can I do? What do?
Then you should find what is T and Z, right? So from T and Z, okay. See, from T and Z, uh, you know, you can't find Z directly. You can find T though. Okay, T can be manageable because you need to see what is the portion of this. See, from this you will know that how much 300 it is, like how much uh, this is the ratio, right? Relative frequency. So since 0.3 is a 300, like 300 is equal to 0.3, how much will be 150? Half of that, right? I mean, T would be half of 0.3 because this is half of this. This is half of that. So that's why. Uh, so draw that.
Sir, it can also be done by 300 divided by something, but gives me
Yeah,
0.
you can do that. See, uh, one is like, so see, one number is 150, right? Another is 300. This says 300 is 0.3 of something. Like let's say this
Yes.
this is a this is a pie chart, right? This is a pie chart. And out of this, all these categories represent to one thing, something like this. So if they say that 300 people is equal to 0.3 representation wise. So let's say this is a 0.3% of a pie or something like 30%. You can say 30%, right? 0.3 is a 30. So 30% also you can say. So how much will be 150 then? It should be half of this, right? So from that you will know that this is 0.15. Or you can multiply also, like multiply this 2 and divide by 300, like 150 multiply by 0.3 divide by 300. You can do that to find the T, right? You will get T from here. So there are like two things, like T and Z. And other thing, the numbers, right? So that sum is 0.725 or something, right? And this all should be equal to 1. Now you know T, 0.15, you know T, right? So from this you can able to find the Z. From this you
Yes,
can
sir.
able to find the Z. So you know Z now. So from Z you have to go back, like what is Y, right? So there are like X and Y. From Z you can go back to Y. So that's how you can able to find y, like whatever z is, right?
150.
No, z is not 150. I guess 150 or something. But yeah, z, see, t is 0. Uh,
175.
uh, t is 0.15, right? And z is from this. If you have to add this thing, all this thing, right? And the fourth one, from this you will be able to find the z. Z is coming out to be just now I did it 0. I guess 125. Okay, so from this you can go back and find the y, or you can find x from here. This is going to be 175. Okay, this is going to be 125 because I know z. I mean I can't speculate about y. Can't speculate about y, but the y value coming out to 125 because I know that z value is going to be 0.125, right? Otherwise, this will not become 1. The whole addition should become 1. Okay.
Please go on other screen,
Have
sir.
which screen? This screen.
When you solve the question, which screen then you solve the question? Please scroll down, scroll down.
No, this
Okay.
I solved there only. I removed that.
Yeah, sir. Please.
I that doesn't exist anymore. I was explaining. I mean, so see, how will you solve this? First find t and z values. Okay. First find uh no. Here. Yeah, I can. Yeah, see, first you need to find this t. How will you find t? From this relation. See, there is a relation between these two, right? Do you see any relation between these two entities?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Dividing 150 by 300.
Right? Or any like so that's how. So see, 300 is representing uh
Sir, this type
0.3
of relation giving
So
all questions.
in all question, means
Giving this type of relation, one relation 300 and 0.3 like.
uh, you can say in Hindi. I don't understand what you are saying. I don't even understand. If you are good with Hindi, ask in Hindi. I'm not getting it.
Sir, in all type of question, it is necessary to it gives only one relation like 300 and 0.3 and to find the other ones like T and Z.
I not sure. Depends on the question. Yes. But depends on question.
so we can also find a total number of deaths first, and after that we use it to
Yes,
get
sir.
T, X, Y, and Z.
That makes more easier.
If a number of deaths is divided by total number of deaths, then we can also get that relative frequency. If we take 300 by x and x is total mass, then x is equals to 300 by 0.3. From there, we calculate the total number of deaths.
From this also you can do. Like you can find x first.
Uh-huh.
Like this is going to be
Yeah.
175. This is going to
If
be
we calculate
175.
total number of deaths, then it will be easy for us to
Yeah, you
calculate
can
the
do
others
that.
value too.
Yeah, you can go that way. So just this is asking only death. You can go like see,
Yeah.
you should know what is the ratio. Like so from this and this you can find x. Okay.
Yeah.
So from this x is going to be 175. Correct? Since
Yes, sir.
okay, now you need to find the z, right? How will you know what is y?
No, then we can find the value of y, that is 125.
Yeah, but that will come from Z, I think.
Sir, we can find. Sir, we can
No,
also do that. We
sir,
can,
the
first we have.
Sir, please
Sir, we
move
can
to the
also do
next
like
question,
that.
sir.
First, we will.
Hello. Hello, sir. We know,
Sir.
hello, sir. We know the value of x. It is 175, and all the addition is 1000. We'll calculate the y. When y is calculated, then we can
I
calculate
mean,
z and t also.
Sir,
how will you know that y
Sir,
is
sir,
125
we
without
can
Z?
also,
Sir, we
sir,
can
can we
total.
conclude?
Sir, we can find the total number of deaths
Sir, please
for only one.
mute all, sir. Please mute all.
There is this.
Sir, can you make me understand one more time clearly? Hello?
Okay.
You
Okay.
know the relation
See,
between the number of deaths and relative frequency. That will be easy for you to understand the question.
okay. See, there are multiple ways to solve this. Okay. Everybody has different way to approach it. But the one thing you have to do is you need to see the relation between this is a relation, right? That 300 people are representing what 0.3, right? 0.3 of out of 1. So from this relation you can able to find something like this t. You can find that this t would be how much, half of 0.3, right? That is 0.150.
Sir,
And
we can find the total number of dates from the last one, because the relative frequency states that frequency divided by total is it's come out to be that one relative frequency. So 300 divided by total can be come out to be 0.3, where
yes,
we can find the value of total, that is 1000.
yeah, okay, correct, you can do easily. Sure.
Yeah.
So 300, see, 300 by total is coming out to be 0.3.
Yes.
So what is total? So total is equal
Will be
to
1000. 300 into
300 divided by 0.3. Okay. So
Okay.
that will become 3 by 10. That will become like 3 by 10 or something like that, right? So 3000 divided by 3 is 1000.
1000.
Very elaborate way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can find total that like this also. So you don't need to
Yes,
find
sir.
x,
Sir,
y.
with this same relation, we can
Yes.
find x, and sum of all the number of
You can
that
find
is
x, yeah.
equals to
You can find
1000,
x that way.
and then y
Yes.
is also y will also come,
Since
and
you
then
know,
from y we can
okay,
find
okay.
z.
Yes, you can do that way. So this is another way. Okay, you can approach this also. So this is much easier. You know the number of deaths. So you know the total of you know the total of this one is 1000 from this relationship. You will be able to find that this is the total, and from this one you can able to find the x. So that is going to be 175. So if you total
Yeah.
it up, you can able to find y also, right? Y is going to be 125.
Yes, sir. It's from y to z.
Yes, so from y you can find z, yes, 0.125. So like that you can find all the things.
Sir, please explain it again, sir. I've just entered the.
Okay, see, we need to find.
Sir, please move to the next question, sir.
Please, sir, explain it.
Okay, I'll just explain one last time. Okay, see, we need to find how many deaths happen in city in 2000. That is the first question that we can do. So see, relative frequency is equal to frequency like divide by total, right? So total is what they are asking. So to find the total, what we'll do is we'll frequency divide by relative frequency. We'll divide that by relative frequency, right? So frequency is 300 in the last case, and relative frequency is 0.3. 0.3 you can write 3 divide by 10. Okay, so something like 3 and multiply by 10 also, something like this. Okay, and if you do, this is going to be 1000. So from this you can find how many number of deaths happen. Okay,
Sir, we have to find
from
total now, sir. Number of deaths. To add all these number of deaths. Sir, how can?
yes, you can do that. You can find x and y and add them up and find it, but this is very easier way, like from this formula you can find it. Okay,
So
this
we
is
need to, like, sir, when we did that, so we didn't did the total, but we did like 300 and 0.3. Sir, can we do like 250 by
yes,
0.25?
Yes,
We can find the
there are
answer.
many ways you can solve this. Yes, there are many ways. Okay, it's
Sir, it is asking total, no, sir. Sir, we have it is all you have find out for 300.
so what? So total we know, no? See, the formula. What is formula of relative frequency?
Yeah, sir,
Relative
I know
frequency
that.
is frequency divided by total, right? So from this you can find the total.
Sir, but we have to add sir all number of deaths, sir. That's
No,
why
it doesn't matter. No. I mean, you have to add it. That is another way. This is one way. There are many ways. That's what I'm saying. There are many ways to solve this. This is the easiest way. Okay.
Oh,
You can find that and do it. That is also okay.
okay.
Since you know this is 1000, you can now find the relative frequency of this, right? 150. T would be 150 divided by total. Total is 1000. So that will become 0.15. So T would be 0.15 and Z will become 0.125. You have to sum it up. So this all will be 1.
Yeah.
Summation
Okay.
of T plus Z plus the rest will be equal to 1, right? So that's how you'll get Z, and from Z you can find Y. Y is going to be 125. So
Thank you, sir.
that's how you can solve this all.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Yeah. So that's how you can find what is the value of T. T value is going to be 0.15. Okay. And what is the value of Z? Z value is going to be 0.125, and X plus Y you can sum it up. So X plus Y, this is going to 175, Y is going to 125. Sum of that is 300. Okay, you can do that. Okay. Anybody has doubt in 7 and 8?
Yes, sir. I have doubt in 7.
Yes, sir.
You have doubt in.
Yes.
Okay. See, this is very easy. What you have to do is, they are asking if relative frequency of 7 is 0.25, then what is the value of X? Something like this, right? So how many are there? 20. 20. Total is 20. So let's see. So they're saying relative frequency 7 is 0.25. So we know that again relative frequency is equal to frequency divided by total. Total,
Yes.
we know that it is 20. Frequency, we can count. Okay, we'll do that. But we know what is relative frequency. Relative frequency is 0.25. So it's like 0.25 divided by frequency and divided by 20, right? Uh, yeah. So from this you can actually find what is going to be what frequency should be, like expected frequency, which is going to be 20 into
5.
25 divided by 100, something like this.
5.
And you can do, yeah. So this is going to be 5, right?
5.
Right.
That's
So
total frequency, no?
yeah, this is frequency of 7.
Of 7.
Frequency of 7. So let's see how many 7 we have. 1, 2, 3,
4,
4.
7.
Only 4 we have, right?
Yes.
One more we needed. So only X, if only X becomes 7, then this case is possible. So that's why X is 7.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, can
Yes,
you
sir.
explain one more time? I'm not understanding this.
Okay, see, first you need to find the frequency of 7. What is from this relationship? This is given, right? So to find the frequency, you have to do relative frequency multiply by total. See, you have to do like you need to find the frequency, right? Frequency is relative frequency multiply by total. Relative frequency is given 0.25, and total we can see from here 20, right? So 20. This will become 5. And so frequency of 7 should be 5. Let's see how many 7 we have. 1, 2, 3, and 4 only, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if X becomes 7, then only this is possible. So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
X value should be 7.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then they are asking what is
Yes,
the
sir.
relative frequency of 8. So you can pretty much say 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are there. So 4 divided by 20. That is the relative frequency. So it's going to be 1 by 5, 0.2. Yes, 0.
So we will use the same formula for question 8 as well.
Yes.
Okay,
So
sir.
frequency, yes, that's what there are three things: frequency, relative frequency, and total. I mean, anyhow, you have to interchange it, right? Like you used to do in any. If you are from science background, you have done it several times. V equal to Q plus 80 or something like that.
Yes.
So it's just you have to interchange it.
Yes.
Let's see. 9 and 11, 9 to 11. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. 12 to 14.
Yes, yes. That was the sir, nine
12 to
question.
14. 9 question. Number of patient visits
Yes.
in dentist is this. How many patient visits dentist in total in that week? So you need to find
How
the
do you
X.
find Y, sir?
How should we? Okay. So yes. See, this relationship is given, right? See, this relationship is given here. From this you can find all the relationship, like what will be this, what will be this, what will be this, and this, right? And from this you can find Y. And since you can find Y, you can find X also. So that's how you have to do it. It's a that one thing I know. But
sir,
how will you do that? So see how will you do that is, see, let's say
we have to apply formula,
0.15.
sir.
Sir.
0.15 is 0.125. Then what will be sorry, correct. 15 is 0.125. Then how much will be 20? That is the question. So to find the question, what will you do is you multiply 20 into 0.125 and divide by 15. Something like this you can do. So 4, 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, divide that. Sure. You can use calculator.
We are
Yes.
just using that formula
Sir,
every
we can
time,
also do
every
like that.
question.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
if we
yes. We are
simply,
using same formula, right?
sir,
So
if we
if
simply
you are
add up the number of patients except X, then we can separate it from the total number of patients checked. Then we can easily get X, and then Y will automatically.
so, but you need to find all this, right? Otherwise, how will you find X?
Sir, if we find the total number of patients checked and
Yeah,
then
sorry. You can do that way, sir. Correct. We can use the previous one, right? Like, sorry, I again. Sorry. Yeah, you can do like, let's say frequency. Like, let's go relative frequency. So 0.125 is equal to 15 divided by total. So since you know two things, you can find the total, right? So total is going to be 15 divided by 0.125.
Comes out to be 120.
120, right? So this is going to be 120. So from this you can find X. That this all should be so. So how many patient visited you can find like that. Okay.
Yes,
You can,
okay, got it, sir.
okay. And X you will know from there. Y also you will get from there. You don't need to find all of this. Sorry, you don't need to find that. I mean,
It is
this
for
is very
confusion, sir.
okay. So find this total. Find the total from this. Find the total. Then find X. From X you will be able to find Y. Okay. From 12 to 14 and out. Number of metals. Okay. Bronze,
No
silver,
doubt, sir.
avoided out. Okay. Let's we can go to 2.2. Any doubt in
Please
1
explain
to
question number 8, sir.
1 to any doubt in 1 to 3?
Sir, one, sir, one. First
1 you have doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Can you explain what this question is asking?
Sir, number of basketball players. How many students play basketball?
Okay, so I mean, what is this asking? I mean, how will you approach? Look, what did you do? You can,
So,
if you can tell me what you did, I'll figure out how you are not able to solve it.
so sir, we have to convert it's basketball. How much? 11.9%. So sir, we have to find total of 11.9%.
Okay, so what is the problem in that?
That's
I mean,
nothing. Sir, I've got the wrong answer. That's
Sir, we need to
okay,
add
sir.
all of these
So the
percentage and then
question was
convert
asking the
into.
total number of students who play basketball.
okay, see, uh, they
See
are
out
asking
of the students who play
how many
basketball.
students played basketball, right?
Yes.
Uh,
Yes,
so,
sir.
uh, so, so see, basketballs are this green one, 11.9, and you need to find how much it is. So 200, 220. How will you find the percentage? You multiply by that and divide by 100. Like this, you can find the percentage. So it will come out to be okay, 210 multiplied by 11.9 divided by 100 is coming out to be 24.99. So you can say 25.
Right, sir. Right.
Sir,
Okay.
I did calculation mistake, sir.
Okay. Okay. So and doubt in
Sir,
2, 3
we have to, sir, round off these figures like 20. If there will be like, sir, 23.4, sir, the answer will be 23, right?
depends.
It will
I
be
depends
25,
on
sir.
options. Like I mean, there can't be student in teacher so in fractions. So either 23 or if 23. I mean, depends
So
on option
how to
actually.
choose like
But yeah,
closely, like what can we do
yeah,
about?
very closely. Whichever is very close, that is the answer.
Okay, sir.
So 2, 3. How many students play cricket? Same thing. Okay. Okay. Any doubt in 4 to 6? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, question number 4.
Okay. Can you explain what this question is asking? I
Which
mean,
year have
what
the
you need to
highest
do?
and lowest study rate?
Okay. So what is the problem with that?
Sir, please tell question number 8.
Wait. Somebody has doubt on this. Can you explain what is the problem with this? I mean, you need to find this, right? I mean, where you face difficulty.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, if you're not saying, then I'll just move on. Okay,
Yes.
I'll not
Sir,
solve
can
this.
you tell question number 5, sir? That's not clear.
Okay. It decrease the most. Okay. Okay. What did you understand by this?
Sir,
Question
they
5.
are asking like which decade the literacy rate decreased the most. So, sir, it's 1971. But sir, how are we gonna choose the 1971 to 1981 or so
Okay.
1961 to
So one
1971?
thing is you need to first see the decrease, right?
Yes, sir.
That's okay. So that is decrease, right? So let's say you see I mean decrease here, there is no decrease here. Okay.
Yes,
On
sir.
and here also there is no decrement. Here there is a decrement. So this either out of this three, one option could be correct. I mean, okay. So if you see here, this now you need to see the values or something like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Here it is saying so let I go back. Okay. So see, I mean, this can't be true, right? I mean, at least I can see this from the graph. I mean, this is very small
Yes, sir.
compared to this one. This is very huge, and this is also somewhat huge. Okay. So if I see this is like let's say if I say this is more than 50, say 52, this could be let's say 45. And if I go here, this is 65, and this is
62.
this this can't be less than like 60. So let's say 60. So this is about to be coming out to be 3. But this is more than that.
Yes, sir.
Like at least you know that this is more than that. So you need to compare this to only, right? So from this to any one could be, I can see this has more decrement. So that's why
So the answer
this
will be 1961 to 1971.
no, this is the
The
where
question,
okay, 40.
Question number 5,
it's
sir.
asking the
Ticket.
lowest literacy rate. We have to just
Yeah, so
select
1961 to 1971, right? So yeah,
Okay, sir.
size like this.
That's what I was asking.
solve literacy rate.
Means it is asking where the difference is maximum.
Yes, yes. Big one we had okay. Which are the appropriate Pareto chart for the figure? Okay, any doubt on this?
Sir, explain.
Okay, so in Pareto chart, what we do, we arrange them in in an
Ascending or
order.
descending order.
Yeah, in any order, right? So I mean that's how if you go, then both should be right. But I need to see if they are
Yes, sir.
correctly drawn or not.
Both will be correct.
Okay. Yeah. So one thing you need to check is are they correctly drawn or not? I mean, let's say that they are saying
Yeah.
10 is physics.
The baseline is start from 0 or not.
I mean,
Right.
like so from this you have to match this like that. That's all. Let's say this is correctly being drawn. That's all you need to. So both are correctly drawn, then both are correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here is a question. Hello.
Yes.
Just regarding the conversion. So, will there be any question that ask about the possible what do you call the data that actually is useful to convert a pie chart to Pareto chart and or bar chart or something? Some question of the will come.
It can come. But yes, it can come, right? What is the problem? You can
No,
do
sir. I'm just, for example, now this pie chart is there and we have this graph 1 and graph 2. So
Yes.
in this case, like if there is some kind of data which is crucial, that is actually essential to convert this graph, how can I find it? What is the crucial data here that is needed to convert this pie chart to this kind of graph and vice versa?
In this, just the percentages, right? So I mean how the represent. I mean there won't be any question in which you have to exclusively draw it or something like that because that kind of software we don't have. So there won't be. But if it's like say right hand side, it's the percentage marks and the y axis. and X is subject. So they have drawn like that, like percentages of each subject. So I mean that kind of thing you can do it. Or let's say they give uh what what they can do. They can give total of this and ask you to which is right. And in this case, why it doesn't contain percentages but actual numbers, the count of it. So that could be possible.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. 7 and
Sir, in this
8.
question, first we need
Sir, we need to
to.
watch any tutorial video.
For what?
Yes, sir. Adobe.
Like sir, there is no practice question there.
For what? There is no practice question.
Tutorial video, sir.
I'm not sure. This you can consider tutorial, right? This all activity questions are tutorial.
Sir, I have a small doubt regarding data science, sir.
I mean, it's not regarding to status. I mean, this one or outside of this. What is data? I mean, you have regarding data science.
Actually, this data science is normal, sir, but we have to learn the data science combined with artificial, sir.
So
How will you
what?
learn how will you learn the data science combined with artificial intelligence?
I mean, how will you learn across the foundation to degree?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that your question? Okay. You can check what is there in curriculum, what is in diploma, then what is in degree. That's how you will learn it.
You can
Sir,
go now on
Yeah.
portal.
So sorry, we can go. I mean,
sir, in this
you can.
question, sir, first we need to calculate the percentage, like, and then we have to just click on the right answer.
What is the pie chart representative of the given of the data table, right? So total is given. Total is given, right? Then like what is the issue then? I don't get it. Like you need to find what is 45 divided by 500, and here you need to find 157 divided by 500. You can use calculator. You can
That's
find
what
all this
I'm saying, sir.
percentage. Huh?
That's
So
what I'm
please tell
saying,
question
sir.
number.
Yes. So is there any doubt in question 7? This is 7. Yes, this is question 7. What is the bar
Yes,
chart
sir.
represent of the given data? Right. So bar chart representation could they are doing in numbers only, so no need to convert it in percentages or anything. That's Anil Kumble is 45 and Amit Mishra is 157. Okay.
It's straightforward.
Anil Kumble should be lesser. Here Anil Kumble has less one. Here he has higher. So I mean C is correct. It's very straightforward. Right. Anil Kumble 45. Yeah. Anyone? So C is correct, right? So what is the issue in this? This is the I could say most easiest question of all. Like you don't even need to compute anything, calculate anything. Okay. Same thing you can do with ninth question. What is it? Pareto chart. Okay, arrange them. So arranging them would be who is the highest? Highest is 157 Amit Mishra. So let's
Amit
see where
Mishra,
he
hi.
is. Here Amit Mishra is there. So this could be correct. I'm not saying this is correct. Okay. Nowhere here also Amit Mishra is highest. Okay, lowest is Anil Kumble. Then we need to see. Wait, this both has similar order, just flipped, right? That this is flipped. So A and B both are correct. Yes, A and B both are correct.
So now please solve this.
Yes. Okay. Okay. We'll move to another 2.3. Okay. Any question? Any doubt in any 4?
Please
Yeah, I
explain
have a
question
doubt
number
on practice
1 and 2.
the
Sorry,
practice assignment too, sir. I have a doubt.
you have doubt in 2.3 activity question?
No.
Okay, we'll go there.
Please tell explain question number 1 and 2, sir.
I am not able to understand you. Is anybody able to understand what is saying?
No, sir, his voice is breaking.
Okay. You
Sir, question number
explain
3rd and
Sir,
4th.
if you explain the topic when we use pie chart and when we use bar chart.
explain what?
When we use pie chart and when we use bar chart, basically.
Okay. So you represent bar chart when you want the
Explain
like
first one
the
and
actual
second one,
count,
sir.
right? When you want to see what is the actual count, like what is the difference between actual counts. But you want to represent data, categorical data in terms of relative frequency. You can say let's say frequency you want to represent, you use bar chart. You
Yeah.
want to represent relative
Sir,
frequency, you
sir,
use
if
pie
relative
chart.
frequency there is, then we can use the pie chart now.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
You can
pie
use pie
Yeah.
chart.
chart.
And frequency, and for frequency we use basically
Bar
Bar
chart.
chart.
bar chart. Huh?
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain, sir, question number 2nd, 3rd, and 4th? Hello?
2nd, 3rd, and 4th.
Explain
Yes, sir.
question number
All three.
first and
Yes, sir.
second.
Okay, so
First
you are
and
saying
second, please
all
explain.
four. Okay, which is the follow statement is to bar chart is the best representation share of cost of different categories in construction of house.
Yes, sir. Two number is correct. Think.
1
Then
and 2, I think.
So see, they are saying share of cost of different categories. I mean, share is
yes, the
kind of
third
like
one is correct. Third one.
percentage, right? So you can't represent that with bar chart. I mean, bar chart is again absolute of it. Okay, like each category has its own thing, but not related to others. It's like individual thing. So grouping of categories and frequency table is done when we have categories with same frequencies. No, we do that uh, when we have like very uh, high number of categories with very low numbers, like count. Then we do that. So pie chart based on when we want to do the proportion. Yes, so this is correct. Uh, in which of the
Yeah.
following cases is a bar chart better than a pie chart to represent
A and B
category?
is
So
correct in the question.
okay, but I need to explain, right? So an e-commerce company wants to know how much sources generated income, how many
But
sources generated
this maximum
income
used
above
in
a certain
business.
value. So certain value, right? So they can uh, define that. Let's say they can define like let's say they wanted I don't know, like 150 or something, right? Anything they can define, and wherever it is crossing more than that, they can say that this all how many sources generate income above certain value, right? Let's say this is a retail. I mean, this could
Yes, sir. In
be
the business, the bar chart is more useful than pie chart.
right. So if you want to see how many sources, so these are different sources of income, and you can represent them, and you want them to have above certain level, then that you can see here. You know, it is interested in knowing about knowing amount of transaction by different payment modes. Yes, you can represent that also from this because this is absolute values, right? So that's what we want, like knowing amount of transaction by different. So you need to add it up. Like in pie chart, if it's going to be percentage wise, it's going to be difficult to add them up. You can represent with numbers also. Still, you can't relate them. Uh, that different distribution of share of votes across different political parties in assembly election. Uh, distribution, right? See, distribution share of
Yes,
vote
and
across. You can actually start with bar chart.
yes, sir. This pie chart is more useful in this case.
Yes. Pie chart
Distribution.
is more useful, definitely. but they are saying distribution of share of votes across different political parties in SM across. I mean this is this could be wrong, but this can become debatable. Okay, so generally we
Yeah, this
represent
is
pie chart.
wrong.
That is
The third one is
generally
wrong.
we represent pie chart. That is true. Okay, but they are asking about distribution of share. Okay, they are saying share of vote. So that
Yes,
becomes it.
Yeah.
Incorrect. They are not
sir.
saying absolute vote. So that's all.
Sir, in exam, can we expect such kind of questions?
No.
Yes, you can expect it. So, but you need to clarify. Like you need to see what is the thing that is giving away that this is incorrect or correct. So, like in this case, it is the share of vote. If if it's not the share of vote, I mean, share like what is your share in a pie? Something like the pie has a share of somebody.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's how I get to know that this is talking about pie chart, not about bar chart, not about bar.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Yes,
The exam pattern of qualifier will be MCQ.
yes, it is
Sir.
going to be MCQ. Yes, and NAT also. Some question will be NAT that find the mean. So how will you? I mean, later on you will come across this mean, median. I think, right?
Sir,
Frequency
sir.
table.
So what is that
What is the
NAT?
numerical assessment type question, like numerical. So you need to write one
Numerical
question.
answer type.
A numerical answer type. Yes.
So we just have to solve that question.
Yes,
Step by
you need
step.
to solve the question. Like
Sir.
earlier you had, right? What is X value? What is Y value? But let's say
Okay,
instead
sir.
of options, there is nothing. No options are not given. You just need to write that number.
So, sir, in many questions there is very distinct method, so we can do with any method.
Sorry, many distinct methods. So
Can we do with any method this numerical question?
I'm not able to understand you.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, there is a question. Let him finish first. Sir, there is a question in graded assignment, which
Okay, will
Sir, no, I am not asking for the answer. The question says that he determine the aggregate marks of the students.
give a minute.
Question
விம் லிக்விட் இதெல்லாம் ஏன்னா இப்ப இந்த ஹேண்ட் லிக்விட் வர்றது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Could you please mute your mic?
இங்க வா.
Can I continue?
பாத்து இந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸோட சின்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு.
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
So there is a question which asks for the aggregate marks of physics, maths, and biology. And in the answer, in the answer section, there is no option for the comma. We have to write the.
Yeah, there is an integer type question, bro.
So second number question, data assignment. So in that question, we have to add the aggregate marks.
விரும்பி சாப்பிடுறது ஒண்ணு.
We'll go
Yes,
there.
yes.
I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure. I haven't seen the question.
No mango.
Add and then find total number.
Daddy காபி தான் கேட்டாங்க.
Yeah, you need to add.
மேங்கோ வேண்டாம் அப்படியே சொன்னாங்க. அப்ப கேட்டு வா.
Okay, thank you.
டாடிக்கு இல்ல எனக்கு மேங்கோ வேணும். உனக்கு நான் தரேன்.
Sir, could you please
அப்புறம்
mute T2 Chanamastri?
Yes. Yes, sir, please mute.
மக்களுக்கு டாடி எனக்கு நல்லா ஊட்டுவாங்க இல்லாதப்ப. அதனால எனக்கு
Sir, please mute this person.
குடு எங்க டாடி எனக்கு ஊட்டுவாங்க.
Please go to the practice assignment too.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you please solve practice assignment questions?
Yeah,
Yes,
we'll go.
yes,
So
yes,
we
please
have
go.
two more thing, right? 2.3, 2.4.
So
Yes, sir.
for everything else, if we summarize everything, pie chart is used for relative frequency.
Yes.
Bar chart is for absolute values and Pareto chart is for frequencies only.
Yes. Sorry, Pareto chart is.
Sir, how we find medians in pie chart? chart, sir.
Sir, can you explain that, sir? Pie chart is for best for relative frequency and bar chart is for what?
So
Hello.
yeah, when you want to represent absolute thing, right? Like this, in this there is absolute.
Same bar.
Sir, Pareto chart for what?
Pareto chart is like it is a bar chart, but it is defined in ascending or descending order.
Okay, okay.
It's also a bar chart,
But it is
and it depends upon frequency.
ascending
so
and
yummy.
descending
Easy to
order.
interpret.
I want to
Okay.
eat.
If a bar chart is fixed,
So yummy. It's so yummy. Oh.
yes, sir, please move.
Can you
Please
ID
mute.
online take repost? Can you
Yes.
mute this person? Whoever is
Kindly remove them from the list. Better.
yeah, this I
Daddy
think this is
That's the
Please,
Chennamma Devi Sena, I think.
please explain question number 5, sir.
మీ డాడీ సాப்பிడు అమ్మ
First
పాలు
name mute
తీసుకోడు
that one.
పాలు
Yes, sir.
వీళ్ళు పొంగు
T2 Chennamma Devi.
yeah.
Yeah, this is the question, sir.
Yeah, I think that. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, we'll
So
go
please
there.
take question
So
number
bar
5, sir.
chart. Okay, is there any doubt in 1, 2, 5?
No, sir.
Any
No, sir.
doubt before that?
So
Okay,
question
then
number
we'll go
5,
to
sir.
5. Okay, we'll go to question number 5. Why is the graph plotted in this is misleading? Okay, say from 0 to
So, what is the meaning of manipulated y-axis?
manipulating. So you can manipulate y-axis and all, right? Let's say so let's say you have
So, by
this.
using special symbol.
No. You can start the starting point from any other number. Let's say this is a data. This represent 50. This represent 80. Okay, this is starting from 0. Now they looks okay. But what if I show you like this and like this, and this is starting from, let's say 30. Okay, both same thing, 50 and 80. But in this case, the difference is very small. I mean, my drawing this kind, but in this case, the difference will look very large. So this is how you can manipulate data and all. People do that. They don't show from where it is beginning and all, so that they can
Sir, is
manipulate
this about this only, or sir, can we
the
say in the
data.
first graph you made 0? What if, sir, we say like it is the limit is 100,
Hello.
sir? What if, hello, am I audible?
Okay. So why is
No.
the graph plotted is misleading?
Sir,
Okay.
am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, I'm saying like in that graph, sir, you said manipulative y-axis, sir. In that, can you read out that?
So, it is not a misleading graph.
Hello?
Yeah. See, I was saying that you start from 0. Let's say this is 50. Okay, and this is 80. The starting, sorry, this.
Sir, I understand this, but sir, this is my question is like, what if I made from 0 to 1000, sir, and the limit is like 100? Like, the second condition is only 80, and I'm doing 1000. So, sir, this means manipulation of y-axis, or sir, I know that this is a misleading graph, sir. So we can do like manipulation of y-axis in a lot of cases.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can manipulate y-axis in a lot of cases. Yes, but see, it depends like what you want to represent. Then you can set some manipulation or not. So let's say sometimes what happens is every data is relatively very equal. Like let's say this first one is 900. This is 920. then let's say 8, 90. This all comes very close to 900 or something, right? In this case, if you even though if you remove the baseline, the data won't be that much misleading. Okay, when this become misleading is when you have differences between the bars. Like let's say one bar is like this, another bar is like this. Now let's say if I draw from here, that uh, or something like that, right? Let's say if
So
I
what is the
say
line called?
which line?
Rating of y-axis.
Like you
This
draw
is
before.
this is x and
Baseline.
this is y, and you can say this is a like so this is not a base like I'm not saying this is a baseline. This I'm just cutting it off.
No,
Baseline
it is
is
not a
like
baseline line.
baseline is this only. Where from where the
Ah,
graph says like this is a
uh,
baseline.
From
So,
0
sir,
to
what is the
It's a
cutting
base.
line, sir? What is it called? What is known as?
It's it's not.
Break.
It doesn't call
sir,
like
it is a
break or
level
something.
line, I think.
I don't think so. There is any name for it, but baseline is from where the graph starts. So that's what baseline is being. So generally in graphs it starts from 0, but it can start from anywhere. Uh, so that's why it's a
But
baseline.
sir, it if it is does not start from 0, then it's misleading, no? Because the area principle is
Yes,
not
yes. Area
valid for
principle.
this.
Yes, the important is area principle. Yes, that you should comply to this. That the area shouldn't look like high,
Yeah,
very
the
much
baseline needs
misleading.
to start from 0.
Yes. 5. What is this graph plotted? Number of men of the match of players. Twice
Sir,
the graph
all are
again
okay, sir. It is not a misleading graph.
That's
But
what I
sir,
am.
It's not misleading graph.
it is a manipulation of y-axis.
Your
No,
voice is
y-axis is
breaking.
not manipulated. See, if you see, this all are starting from 0 only. They cut off mid portion of it little bit, and then it goes same thing. So the principle of area is not being violated. Okay,
So the
because
graph defines that the graph is starts from 5.
yeah, if you see this only, then it's a misleading. But since they have drawn the baseline 0, right? So it can't become misleading.
Sir,
The
what
area
if we
principle,
No, sir, it's not a misleading graph.
sir, what if
yeah,
we cut the line to 10, sir? Will it
If
be
we break
misleading?
the y-axis, then it
yes.
is not misleading.
If
Hello?
if
Excuse me,
this
sir.
portion
Hello.
if this portion is being not shown to you, then it's a misleading.
Sir,
Because
what?
if
Excuse
you
me, sir.
see, then this guy
Sir,
hasn't done anything. Something like yes,
Hello, sir. Excuse me.
yes,
Sir, manipulation of y-axis is only happen when area principle get disturbed.
yes, violate, yes.
So the
I
Hello?
mean,
manipulation of y-axis only represents the huge difference between the frequency.
yes. So when it represents the huge difference, then yes, yeah. So let's say we
sir, one last
uh
question, sir.
huh?
So one last question. Sir, truncated graphs are those graphs. The baseline is not start from 0.
That starts. Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you repeat?
So truncated graphs are those graphs that which baseline starts from 0, not from 0. Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my question is, sir, what if, sir, the breaking point is not in the 5 but in 10, sir? Will it be misleading or not?
No. See here we have this breaking point, but we are not removing the bottom part, right? I mean, it's still visible to us.
Yes, sir.
So what we are doing is actually we are let's say we had a long graphs, long this bars. We are cutting all of them from the mid portion or somewhere, right? So that's how it doesn't becoming misleading or anything. We have the baseline from 0,
Sir, I'm saying like,
and
for suppose, for instance, like that
no, it
point.
doesn't become misleading. Even though we are cutting from 10, I don't think so it will become misleading, okay? Because
Oh,
it represents all the things.
yes,
There is
sir.
Sir, sir,
nothing. It's just a small portion of it is like 0 to 10
Shows
also
that
I
there
don't
is
see.
a gap.
But if it goes like 20, then for this 50 guy, I'm feeling that it is a misleading.
Okay, sir.
That's a this misleading part is really a little bit of subjective. Okay. So what we try to do is we give you a question in which it's a very clear case. Otherwise, it becomes subjective. So if it's become very clear, then
Sir,
only that those kind of question only will be there in the quiz.
Sir,
sir, if the baseline is not start from
sir,
the zero and we
Yes.
break the y-axis and it shows that the graph is starts from 5, then it still will be truncated graph.
Then it is a misleading
No,
graph.
then it is a misleading. If it starts from
Then
here,
it's
the
still
graph starts from
misleading
here.
because we define that by breaking the y-axis that it graph starts from 5.
Yes. Yes, it is a misleading. It is kind of misleading. Yes.
If the zero is
sir, this
not in the
breaking
graph,
line is there
then it
because, sir,
will be
the
misleading.
frequency gap is, sir, more, no? So that's why it's a breaking of line here. In a graph, sir, in this graph, the frequency of gap of frequency is more, sir. That's why it's a breaking of a line. You know, that is
Yes.
there. This line.
Yes. In
Good
this
place.
case, there is no misleading. Like they just they're representing bars with a cut in it. It's just that. Like generally we go y-axis and all, right? So just follow the basics. Like whatever basics are that don't play, like don't remove baseline. So we are not removing that, and that works.
Sir,
Excuse me, sir.
So then what is
Yes.
truncated graph?
Can you please summarize everything that misleading graphs and manipulated y-axis and area principle, everything is just mixtured. Confusion is created.
What confusion is there? So
Hello, sir.
okay, let's see.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it's a solving session. Sir, not summary
When
session.
manipulation of y-axis is happens,
Yes, sir, it's a solving session.
if you people have any doubt, you can watch the previous sessions.
Yes,
This is
that is a good idea.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, sir, it takes lots of time.
Okay. See, there are few things which is when you taught the area principle, right? Display of data must obey a fundamental rule called area principle, right? This area principle is important. In this, see, where is it? Like this is a misleading graph because see no baseline and chart shows bottle on top of labeled boxes of various sizes and shape. Like size is different, shape is different. Like this
Yes,
this
sir,
is
this is
let's
a
say
decorated graph.
right. So this is a misleading graph. So if you go through this examples, you will know what is this. This is a truncated graph. So it's not starting from baseline 0.
Zero.
It's a truncated, right? So this is a truncated graph. Then
Rounded off.
indicating
Round up
y-axis break, right? Same thing, like this truncated graph is indicating y. Then round of
Arrows.
zeros. Like here, this 20, like if you maybe total it up or something.
It does sum is 102 something, like.
Right?
Oh,
Yeah, it's
101, sorry.
going more than 100, or even though let's say it's
Then round up arrows.
yeah. So you can say this all thing. You can go so like round of 0, then indicating y-axis break, right? Truncated graphs, or what is that? Like violating area principle. So area principle is important.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, I am confused in the area principle part.
The area principle is kind of same as this truncated graph. Okay. The area principle says that whatever representation of entity should be relative to others. Like what I mean is, let's say this graph I drew. Okay, then another. So all things, this truncated graph, area principle, misleading y-axis. This all three represent same thing, like kind of same thing. That if you remove the baseline, let's say it's not starting from 0 or somewhere else, it is starting from, let's say, 40, then it will become misleading. It becomes truncated graph also, and it is violating the area principle also. Okay, all together. And same thing here, like let's say this is a decorated graph. I mean, we don't use this graph like anywhere, but some people like to show their thing, represent this, right? So that's why this is disobeying area principle. Like let's say this one, right? Italy. It is taking it's lower than Japan. Still, it is showing higher than that. Like that, it is showing, right? So that's why it's incorrect. Like the area, you can say, taken by entity should be relative to others, like whatever it is, right? Something like that. So that's why this is violating area principle. This graph. I mean, we don't have any this kind of graph. So like this is also violating area principle. Okay, this is a truncated graph. This is violating area principle.
Sir,
Because yes,
so if the width of the graphs is not same, then is it misleading?
graph is not same means
Means width of the each bar.
width of the bar. No, we can't say that because width doesn't represent anything in bar chart at least. I mean, but though you can say it like some graphs are there which are like named like something like average bar chart or something like that name is there. So in this case, what they do is they have different widths like this and like this we have that. You can say this could be misleading. This could be misleading, but we have to see the x-axis. What does x-axis represent? I mean, how this is it's there. Let's say they take different years. Let's say this bars are there like let's say and this is like 2000 to 2010. 2010, this represent like maybe 2010 to 2025 or something like this, right? So this is a 15 year, but this is a 10 year. So why they are making this kind of thing, like not equal in years or something? This could become misleading. Eh, depends on the context also little bit, but uh, but yes,
Sir,
yes,
in that sir case, there should be like equal intervals, like 2004.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sir.
If it's an equal interval, that's better. if if it's not equal interval, you will also have a question, and why it's not equal interval, why it is they have added it up of this, right? I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
what they are doing is they are adding more years of data into a graph. So let's say if it's a profit of a company, in 10 years they earned in 10 years they earned something, right? So something they earned in 10 years. Now they are showing in another part as 15 years how much they earned. It could be higher, it could be lower. Let's say they are trying to show that our profit is not decreasing by increasing the number of years, which is misleading. So so that's why the context is also kind of important. But yes, it is a misleading.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt in assignment questions. Can I ask?
Which question?
In week 2 assignment, uh, activity 2.4. Sorry, activity
2.4.
2.5.
Yeah, we are going there. Okay. So
Sir,
okay,
please.
any doubt in 1, 2, 3?
In assignment 1, sir.
In
So please
2.5,
discuss question number
activity
7 and
question
8.
2.5. Activity
Sir, I
question
have also doubt in
2.5. We are
2.2.
there
Sir,
now. Any
I have
question?
also
So please
Hello.
discuss question number 7 and 8.
Hello. I have also doubt in 2.1 the assignment question, sir.
Okay, you can watch video. It's recorded. We have covered it maybe. Okay.
All questions, sir.
Yeah, from 2 to 2.1 to 2.4 we have covered it. you can watch the video. Okay. So,
Okay.
So please discuss question number 7 and 8.
okay. Is there any doubt in 1, 2, 3?
Sir, in 3 and 4.
In 3 and 4, okay. Uh, consider this pie chart, okay. Mode of output data is, so mode is which is the highest count, right? So I mean is HP, it is true. It is true. First one is true. I mean, even though we don't have percentage, okay, we have percentage outside 40%, which is true, right? Mode is not defined for categorical data. No, it is defined because we do is count, right? We add the which has the highest count. So if you draw the bar charts of this like this, then you can see the mode. So mode is not defined, it is not correct. Median of about data is Lenovo. Median we can't define if it is not ordinal data. We need
Yeah.
at least ordinal data. Like nominal data, in nominal data we can't find the median. So median of data is Lenovo. I mean, I can't define since this doesn't look like ordinal data. Like ordinal data could be small, medium, large, but this is not. This is really like nominal data. I mean, typical nominal data. So median is not defined for this variable, which is true.
Sir, one more doubt. Sir, if
Yes.
the value is provided like about 500 PCs were sold, then can we find the median for this value?
Then also no. I mean, see, there is no order. No, how will you order it? I mean, see, 500 is a count, right? 500 is a count. Let's say you're saying 500 count, but if you start arranging them in increasing order, how will you write? SR, 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 something like this. SOS.
Yes, sir. It is a numerical data.
Right? How will you order them? You can't order it. The first rule of first task in finding median is you need to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So
Sir, what
in this
about the
case, there is no
ratings?
order.
Sir, what
It's a
about
nominal data. You can't ascend. You
sir,
can't put them in any order.
sir, if we are doing about ratings, good, best, or excellent, something like that, will that in that case, sir, can
Yes.
we find median?
Yes, you can find in median because it's ordinal data.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, my mic was not audible, but can you please go back to 2.4 once? I have one question. 2.4 activity.
Yes, go ahead.
In activity 2.4, fourth question, sir.
Fourth question, yes.
Here I am claiming that both the baseline is missing and the axis is manipulated, because the left one is showing some value of around 65 and the right one is around 35, which is misleading because 35 is more than half of 65, but it is showing that it is less than. So the representation is wrong. The axis manipulated the y-axis. So I am claiming that both missing baseline and manipulated y-axis will be the option.
Manipulated y-axis is
yes.
But you are right. See, you are right. But the thing is, manipulated y. But see, whatever y-axis is there, is not manipulated in any way, right? Like, I mean, they are equally distant and all. The baseline is missing. That's why you are seeing this difference, right? The main reason is missing baseline, not manipulated y-axis. Right? Y-axis is not manipulated at all. The baseline is missing.
I mean, the area, it is not following the area principle also. I mean, the
Yes, it is not representing area principle because baseline is missing, not manipulation of y-axis. Y-axis is not manipulated.
I mean, the y is truncated, sir. No, I mean, no baseline is provided. Okay, you are saying that baseline is the major problem, not
Yes.
the.
Yes, it's the major problem, right? Not the y-axis. y-axis is, so whatever y-axis we can see it's true, right? It's correct only. So you can't. So baseline missing is the correct one, right? It's a more appropriate one.
Sir, then what is actually the point of manipulated y-axis? I mean, what is the example of manipulated y-axis?
So what is the baseline?
See, you can write like this also, like let's say 30, then 35, 50, 65. You can write like this. It's
Okay.
not equidistant.
Okay, not equidistance, then it is. But if there was an option like this, both missing baseline and not following area principle, then would that have been the one correct option? If there was an option where it is written both.
If there was a written not following area principle, that is also true.
Okay.
That is also true.
And sir, one more thing. Sir, it is while it is asked somewhere in graded assignments, they are asking for opinion on what graph should we present for a given data. Okay. They are in grade assignment. I'm not asking for the solution. I'm only asking that how we will decide whether a bar chart is appropriate or a Pareto chart is appropriate. I mean, all the things that we can see from a bar chart is also present in Pareto chart, but Pareto chart just provides a order or sort type. I mean, it provides a sorting kind of sense.
Yes.
When we will decide that we will use Pareto chart and when we will decide that only bar chart is sufficient, how to distinguish between that when both are in the options?
We have to identify the nominal and the ordinal data. Then only we can say that it is a Pareto
See,
chart.
when the question is asking, about absolute thing, okay, absolute question, like let's say they ask how much Democratic Party what votes, right? How much votes Democratic Party got?
Yes.
I mean, then is there any ordering required? Is there anything? I mean, order doesn't matter, right? I mean, wherever it is, Democrat. Let's say it was here, doesn't matter. And it's just we wanted the absolute thing. So bar chart is sufficient when we are trying to say compare between three entities. I mean, in two it doesn't matter, right? It always Pareto. I mean, this way or that way Pareto. So if there is more than two, then Pareto will come into picture. So if they are saying what is the comparison between, let's say, S and M or size of something. So now we want to do comparisons, right? So comparisons, when they come, then you will see the bars like this. Like let's say if you see like this, it makes sense. If if bars are like this, and you want to make comparisons, it has become very kind of difficult, kind of that thing. So you'll require Paretos in that, like when you want to make the comparisons, right?
No, I got it completely. I'm agreeing. I understood what you told, but I am telling from the perspective of what are the options given. I mean, if the options are given as bar chart, Pareto chart, both bar chart and Pareto chart. And let's say it is asking this exact question: which party won? Which part? Display a chart showing the votes that each party won. If this is the question, and let's say we have an option key, the question is which of the following graphs will be appropriate, and it is given as bar chart, Pareto chart, and both bar chart and Pareto chart.
Then it's the Pareto chart, because they are saying represent the number of votes they got, right? See, now after votes they got, we are going to compare with the parties, how much the next party got, how much the third party got. Like we'll order them, want to order them in some way. So in sense, we are always going to use Pareto chart in that case, not bar chart.
And Pareto chart uses a descending principle, am I right?
So Pareto chart is also a bar chart, no?
Yes, it's a bar chart, but Pareto chart we just order them. I mean, Pareto chart is a bar chart, yes, but we order
the question about the order of the data set.
Pareto chart is for ordinal data.
Yes, ordinal data, or even though I mean, it doesn't matter. See, parties are not ordinal, right? They are nominal kind of.
Yes, it's not for ordinal.
It is the kind of ordinal, no?
No,
Pareto chart is always
it doesn't have to be ordered. Not
Yeah,
all.
it doesn't have to be
only
ordered. Yes,
frequency
yes.
order.
No,
Sir,
it's not.
ascending is descending order, no?
Nominal
Ascending
or
descending is a
ordinal?
count, not ordinal data. Ordinal is the see, let's say these parties are right. Parties are not ordinal, they are nominal data. They got the votes. This is the count of this. So we are arranging them based on their values or counts, right? So
Order of frequency.
the frequencies we are seeing, not the ordinal data. Okay.
Sir, can we like classify the data into ordinal and nominal?
Yes, you can.
Like, sir, how?
If there is an order, then it is ordinal. If there is no order, then it's
No.
nominal.
Like if there is ordinal data, will it be like it can be drawn in every chart, right, sir?
Yeah.
If it's a ordinal data.
What about the nominal?
Nominal you can represent with graphs. So let's say this is a nominal data, right? This is
Yes, sir.
This is a nominal data. You can plot the plot a bar chart if you want them to be, let's say this talking about the budget under various settings. Now we want to show now we want to find out where, how budget is being spent. So you want to actually plot them in a Pareto chart that agriculture is taking way too much money or something. You
No,
want
my
to
question is like, sir, there is ordinal, like ordinal data are those data which are ordered, right, sir? We can
Yes.
order them. So,
Yes.
sir, it can be in bar graph and pie chart in every
Yes.
graph, and same like nominal data is like that data is not ordered, right?
Yeah.
And
So
sir,
in ordinal data you can many times happens that you can't order them as a Pareto chart. You can just represent them with bar chart, because let's say the question is how many uh, uh, different size of t-shirt sold. Okay, so S, M, and L we can put in this way only. We can't change the order. S, L,
yes,
M.
sir.
No, we can't do that. I mean,
Yes, sir.
either this way or this way. Okay,
So, sir,
so let's say
ordinal
S
data
got
is for Pareto chart.
Hold on, sir.
no. Pareto. This is not Pareto. This is bar chart.
Bar chart, sir. But
This is ordinal data. Okay. So if it is not ordinal, which is nominal,
yes, sir.
then most likely I'm saying Pareto chart is relevant, since we want to compare between the different categories in some sense. Okay. Depends what kind of comparison we want. Here we have to put it in this way only, like this or that, right? SML, like ordinal way. So there is a possibility that the chart couldn't come out to be Pareto chart. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
just bar chart we can draw, not
Okay,
the
sir.
Pareto chart.
So here in this Rajasthan budget, so when we actually make it into convert into a Pareto chart, the agriculture will take the first position.
Yes.
And others will come
Agriculture
in the
take-
second, electricity and so on, right?
Yes,
Education.
yes.
So
Yes.
okay, now that after doing it, what is the importance of the line that we need to draw for the Pareto chart?
What line?
There is a line that connect the Pareto chart. Sometimes like the combination in some Pareto chart there is a line which is actually runs on the bar.
Like this, like this.
Yes.
That is like that. That is just a represent. I mean, it doesn't matter much, but it's just the same way, right? The edge or whatever the highest point of they were connecting with lines only. Like so, in Pareto chart, it will come out like to be like this only, right? Like I mean, like this only.
Yeah,
It
it will
will
be a
already
kind of
reduce.
slope kind of a thing. So, because
Yeah,
when
slope
I
kind.
was actually going through different images, so I was wondering like if there is if they ask about the difference between the Pareto chart with the line and without the line, I was wondering which one to choose.
No. It's just the order that matters. Nothing like line or no line will make any difference.
Oh, thank you.
So can
Okay.
you please repeat why median is not defined for categorical variable?
What is not defined?
So median is not defined for it.
Sorry, what is not defined?
So why?
Median.
Yes, sir.
He's asking median.
Median is not defined.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's say this is the data, right? This is the categorical data, nominal. This is nominal. I am not talking about ordinal. Median is there. No, ordinal median is there. Okay, median is there. Nominal, median not there. Okay, so this is a nominal data. This is not ordinal. I mean, you can't prefer agriculture over education or education over roads or electricity. If you want to develop, we want to focus on each this domain separately, right? So something like so. This is a nominal data.
Sir, but
So
ordinal is a part of categorical variable.
yes. So I never said or categorical. You can't do. You can't find median. I said this only.
Sir, it's only defined for nominal only.
For nominal, not median is not there. For ordinal, median is there.
Okay. And for mode, it is
For which?
mode.
Mode, I can't. Mode for both, it's there. Mode is there for both.
Mode is defined for every.
Okay,
Mode is just a count, right?
Every category,
Whichever is the highest count.
Mode is defined for both.
Mode can be
Yes.
defined for all.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, and
Okay,
sir,
any-
mean is not defined for anyone.
Mean is not defined for categorical data.
Yes, sir. Because we cannot do mathematical operation on that.
Mean is defined for numerical data.
Yes. Okay. Okay, and out in 1 to 3. 4.
So fourth one, please.
Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, English teacher has declared the result of class 12. Grade of the students are listed in this table. Grades are okay. A is the highest. So based on the information, choose the correct option. Mode of the above grade is C. That number of students, that is true. Mode is true. Mode of above grade is A. That is incorrect. Median of grades. So see, this is ordinal data. We can arrange them. Okay, we can arrange them. So is C a median or not? We have to find out. So 15, then 20, then 35, 15 or 6. Right? So how much is this? This is going to be 35. How much is this? 21.
91.
How
91.
This is 91, right? So if you if you have 90, then so 45 should be there, right? So 46. Where is the 46 count is coming? Is it coming in C? 35
Yes,
plus
sir.
35 70, right? The 46 one is coming in C.
Sir,
You
I
get it?
didn't
So
get it. Can you
okay,
repeat
see.
it?
Okay, I'll tell you. See, what we do in this case is they are asking if median is in C or not. Since we have ordinal data, A, B, C, D, we will arrange them, right? So A, something like this. So this all A will be how much? 15. I mean, I'm representing 5, but it will go till 15. Okay. Then we'll start writing B, and it will go till there are 20. So how many we passed? 35. Okay.
35.
Now we are at C's. So we'll start. So total is 91. Okay, somebody did it. So total is 91. We wanted to go to 46th one. 46th one. That is going to be the median. Median is the half of both, right? The 45 this side and 45 that side. So 46th place is the median. So now I will start writing C, and if I go 35 plus 11 is the 46th, right? So it's going to be C only, right? Then more C's will be there. So I know definitely that at 46th position, C is going to be there. So that's why median is C.
So here in this case, the median it was kind of like let's say 15A, 15 after 15 that is A, and 20 after B after 20 and so on. How can I find the median there?
How can you? That's how
I mean,
you'll total it. You have to go to the midpoint of the data. Midpoint of the data.
No, sir. I'm talking
So,
about in the data itself, the student's data. If it is like after 15, let's say the B of for B they are given as A, or after before A there is 15. Let's say the number of students is A, after that is 15, then it's B after 20 after C, so on. It's a combination of numeric and alphabetic. How do you find the median there?
I am not getting your question actually.
For example, I'm talking about the number of students. There,
Okay.
let's say that for A they have given it as A, for B they have given as 20, for C they have given it as B, something of the
C
kind.
is given as B. How can they give that? I mean, I'm not getting how for C they can give B. I mean, these are grades, right? For class 12 student, all the students, 91 students are there. From this, I can know.
I mean, not in this example. I'm talking about if there is I have come across questions where there is a combination of this thing kind of there. How do you actually find the median? The median is not just numeric, but it also has alphabets in there, combined with that.
Combined. Oh, you are saying that A, B, C, D is there.
Also,
and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Then you should know the order. I mean, if you know the order, you can find the median. I'm not sure what is the order in this. Like, does A come first or 1 come first? How will I know? I mean, this should be clear. If you know this thing, then you can find the median. I mean, how will you write this thing, right? If you know that you can order them, you can find the middle value.
Sir, what if the total number is like, sir, 92 even numbers, sir? What will we do in that case? Like,
Then
there
also
are,
C, right? Then also C, since median would be
Both
what?
the answer is there.
I mean, still it is going to come out to be C, right? Like, what we do
sir,
is,
but if, for example, let's say like we have like male and female, sir, how we can do that at
okay,
that time?
so see, in this case, 46 is C. If there are going to be 92, then 92 means 46 and 47. We'll take both. It is also C. Then both are C.
Sir, now let's change C to M and F, sir.
Why?
Sir, I'm not talking about this case. I'm talking like we have two different variables, like sir, male and female. And then, sir,
Okay.
we need to find the median in, and the sir, observation, total number of observation is even. So in that case, sir, what I will choose as a median.
So male and female is not ordinal data. It's not ordinal data.
Something like
How
that,
will you
sir.
do that?
What if we have something like similar but odd, nominal or ordinal? Sorry.
So you are saying both are equal.
Yes, sir.
Both are equal. Then how will you find median? I mean, then this case, like,
both can be
median.
Sir,
Or
yeah, I know that, but sir, what answer I should choose?
both.
Both, sir.
You have to choose both only. Yeah, there is no option.
either M or either F.
Okay, sir.
So
Excuse
the
me, sir.
thing you have solved in
Excuse me,
this
sir.
fourth question, can you compare this with also the previous one, third question one?
Third one.
Yeah,
So,
like
can I
how we have
interrupt?
compared the median for this one.
Excuse me, sir.
See, can I interrupt for the same question?
Excuse
Hello?
me, sir. Can
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, can you go to the practice assignment too? Sir, our math class will start in 8 p.m.
Sir, I have doubt
Just a
question
second.
number 1.
Just a second.
sir, how to ask you doubt, sir?
Just a second, please.
Do we have to raise that?
I have a doubt in the same question, the fourth one, which we were discussing right here. And my question is, median, when we find out, it can even, I mean, the order could be ascending or descending, right?
Yes. Yes.
So if they haven't specified this, A is greater than B is greater than C is greater than D, etc.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
and if we assume that it starts from E and it goes till A, then the median
Okay.
might be changing, isn't it?
Then median might be changing. Okay, let's start
Yeah.
from. Let's start. Okay, we can go. Sorry. See, E is 6, then we have 15, which is 21. 21 plus 35 is 6 plus this
No.
46.
I understand that. I understand that. Now my question is,
Okay.
if we do like that, sometimes the median may change. So is there any strict rule or principle that we have to first see only the ascending order? And especially in this grade system, I had a doubt because grade A is the highest one. Grade E will be the lowest one. So
Yes.
what if someone, or including me, if I start from the lowest grade to the highest grade, because we generally go in ascending order. So if my
Yes.
mind works like that and I find median for that, and if that's not the same median as it is for A to E, then it becomes a problem,
Yes.
isn't it? So how do we tackle this? I mean, what is the
Then
right way?
no. No. See, you want find that, because median is either way you go, you will come across that value only. try it. Okay, go
Oh,
ahead, try
yes,
it.
yes, yes,
Anyway, you will go, you will come across that answer only because it's the middle
Oh,
point.
right. I got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, can I ask my doubt now?
Yes.
Sir, I have doubt in graded assignment too, not an answer, but I have an like input doubt in the last question. Like the
In
values are
graded
not
assignment.
supported.
In
Yes,
graded
graded assignment
assignment.
the values are not supported.
Values are not supported. I mean, what?
I mean the answer. It says the answers. I have to answer it in a ratio form, but the keyboard only allows decimals. So can I write in decimal form? It's the last
Yeah, you
question of
can
graded
write. I
assignment too.
think then you can write in decimal. I don't see. I haven't seen anywhere
I mean,
you can write in ratios. You can write in
multiply into
decimal.
100 and make it, am I right?
Write in decimals.
They have actually asked the ratio, but we cannot write input that values, so we have to write it as decimals in the decimal form.
I'm
Can you
sorry, I think
show?
okay,
Can you
I
give me
can understand.
the number of it?
Yes, sir. Last question, 11th question.
Okay, I actually have no idea, but what I can do is in discourse. Do you have discourse? Do you
No,
have
sir,
discourse,
I don't.
right? So you can ask in that. We'll reply
Sir,
to that. Is it okay?
I don't have that.
Vaibhav,
Actually.
You're talking about something like 1.5 and all the thing, am I right? That you're not able
Actually, the
to.
answer has come in somewhere like a form of like, for example, if we say 1 by 2, suppose,
Fraction.
but we cannot put that in it.
Obviously, 1 by 2, you can actually make it as a decimal, am I right?
Yeah,
Right.
right decimals.
Yeah,
Okay.
decimal. In decimal
Decimals
we
is
have to
only
write.
supported. There is
Fraction.
no way.
Yeah.
Fractions are not
Fraction.
We can
supported.
write 0.5.
Okay. I thought you were
That
not able
Okay.
to.
Any doubt in 5 to 5, 6, 7?
Sir, question
8?
number
No,
one
sir,
in
no doubt.
practice assignment 2. The question
Yeah,
number
we'll
one
go.
in practice assignment.
Okay, next we are going to practice assignment 1 only. Any doubt in 5 to 8?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, we'll go to practice assignment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 to
Sir.
4. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, can you explain eighth question and the fifth one? The
In this
activity
one,
question 5. No. The
activity 5.
yeah, in that question number 8.
Question number 8. This one. What is the median of
Yeah.
customer feedback? Okay, this is a customer feedback. You can arrange them, right? This is
Yeah, sir.
ordinal data.
Yeah, no, but this one it has 10 elements.
So
Oh,
so what? I mean,
so I think 5 and 6 you might have to take the average.
the median is you have to take you have to take two values and divide by 2. So let's say both are good, then there is no problem. But if it's coming out to be good and average, then you have to see like how will you do. This is plus this divided by 2. This let's say what is the median of customer feedback? Good, bad, average. Median does not exist since the feedback variable has nominal scale. No. Okay, no. See, let's do it. How bad it is. Okay, let's
Sir,
start
but
from
when we are finding median, then it is coming average and good both, and the options are not supporting that answer.
bad. Okay, I'll solve it. See, we have bad, then another bad. Okay. Now what could be better than that? Average. Okay, so average is 1, 2, 3. 3 averages. Okay, so I'll write A. Then I have 1, 2,
4
3,
good.
4 good, right? So G.
Total
Now they are
averages.
asking to find the median, right? So since these are 10, I will go with 5 and 6. So this is the fifth one and this is the sixth one. So both are 8. So average will be the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but in the case of if they are both different, then
Then you
the
can't.
median
Then
it
you
won't be
can't.
different.
Either you can't or both are median. Okay.
Sir, what will be the correct answer if there is like average and good, sir? What is the, that's what I was asking before as
See,
well.
if it's going to be this case, let's say average and good or anything else, then like the correct answer is you can't find the median. Okay, you can't find the median. But let's say that option is not there, then both are median could be also answer. Both are median. Okay, so it depends on the option. If option is given, no median, then that is more relevant.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if the either one is given,
always average?
Yes.
if the either one is given, is it one that median?
Yes, one is given. So in
Yes,
this
sir.
case, it's average, right? We since both are equal, both are same thing.
Yeah. If there is average and good is not there, so average is the correct one in that case also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good is not there. Could be.
In previous case,
But don't worry.
you
See, we know this thing. We will not create this question. And this question doesn't exist. Okay. I mean,
yes, sir,
question wise, and in reality also, this thing never happened. So
Sir,
okay.
it's question third,
Sir,
sir.
I have a doubt in question
Question
number.
from
third.
this
Sir, I have
only.
a doubt. Sir, I have a doubt in question number 1 of practice assignment 2.
Yeah,
Sir,
we'll
in
go
question
there.
number 3 for this activity 5, question number 3, please, one last time.
Okay. Question number 3. Sorry,
Yes,
we
sir. So,
covered it.
like you have solved for fourth question.
We
Can
no, we
you just
covered 3 also. We covered 3, 4, both. It's there.
yeah, so
Okay,
yes, sir.
you
Just
can watch.
a doubt from that. Like
Sir,
you solved
please
the
move
fourth
to the
question.
practice
So
assignment
what
too,
is the
sir.
doubt? Okay. What is the doubt?
So, like you've solved for the fourth question, A greater than B greater than C. So, you can make this like HP, which is greater than
No.
del, like that.
No,
Why
no.
can't we?
It's
Sir,
not
it is a
greater than.
nominal. Sir, it's
It's
It's a
not, sir.
nominal data. You
Yes, sir.
can't make greater than,
Order.
less than.
It depends on person to person.
please solve practice assignment.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. In practice assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
1 to 5, any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt. In practice assignment 2,
Okay.
question number 1.
Okay, we'll go to 2.
Sir, I have a doubt on 4, 5, 6, 7.
In this, right? 2.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. 4,
Okay,
5,
any
6,
Then
doubt
7.
in 1, 2,
around
3? Any
Sir,
doubt in 1,
question
2,
number
3?
1. Sir, please solve question number 1.
One
Sir,
doubt. Okay, question
number
number
1.
1. Okay, question number 1. Okay. Cars and trains connect the national capital of India with states capital of India and all biggest cities in the okay. Sikandrabad junction to Nizamuddin junction has 1 AC class, 5 AC second class, 9 AC third class. Okay. Each of a maximum capacity of 18 was 48 bus and 60 were respectively on a given day. 10 1 half of 2A berth and 275 third AC berths were filled. What's the percentage of the train or the given? What is the percentage of berths filled in the train? Okay, so okay. So first, see, they are asking percentage. So first, you need to find. Oh, yeah. Okay. They are asking. So they are asking percentage, right? So first, to find the percentage, you should know the total. So total is. mm, 9 coaches has 1 AC class coach, 5 this. So okay, 1 AC coach. So coach and seats are different, berths are different. Okay, so coach contains something. Then second AC coach is there. So sorry.
The coach contains what?
I- See, we have 1 AC. So okay, one this one. Okay, writing it is okay. I'll write with this. First is 1. Second, there are how many? 5? 5. Okay, second. Yeah, second. Problem with this. I'll write like this. Second, then I have third AC, which has how many coaches? 9 coaches, right? 9 AC coaches. And then they are saying how many have berths, how many berths are there. So 1, 2, 3 coaches have maximum capacity. So this has 18 berths. This has 48 berths. This has 64 berths. Okay, so now you have to multiply it. So this is going to be 48 into 5. Okay, 48 into 5. This is going to 64 into 9. This is going to be 18. So that's how you'll know total. So total you will know then what is the percent of berths filled to a train given. So they are not now anything. There is no differentiation between a berth, any AC berth or anything, right? Just we need to find the total of it. So find the total. I'll do that. I'll use. We can use calculator. Yes, it's there. See, what I have to do is 40, 48 into 5, which is 240. Okay, and another is 64 into 9 plus 64 into 9. Okay, and plus 18 of AC. So there are 834 total. Okay, 834 total.
Yes.
So 834 total. Now, how many are filled? Are given to 10 plus half. Half of this is going to be 24 into 5, 120. Okay, and 275. So if you sum it up, 5, 10, 0, 1, 405, right? So 405 divided by 834 into 100. That is going to be percent. So do that. That is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. What is the relative frequency of third AC? So you can do that, right? Second, third question. Okay.
Sir, please explain it again, sir. I don't get it.
Okay. Okay. What did you understand my question?
Sir, it's asking percentage of berths filled in a train on a given day.
Yeah. So how will you do that? I mean, how will you find the total number of berths? That's it. How many total
We
seats
have
are there? Berths is seat. How will
we
you
have
do
to
that?
all out we have to add all the all the berths then we have to convert in percentage.
Yeah. So what is the doubt then? You got it right. You have to try it. See, 18 berths are first AC. 48 berths are there in second AC train coach. Okay, so there are like coaches. Uh, see, there are like coach, right? This is first AC coach. Then you connect like train is like this, right? This is second AC. This is third AC coach. So there are like different coaches available in a train. Like if you go, so in this 18 berths are there. If this is a coach, there are 48 seats available. And in this, there are 64, I guess. 64, right? So they are saying this kind of coaches are 9. Yeah, 9, this kind of things are there, right? And this kind of things are 5. This is only 1. So you have to sum it up. That will give you total. Total is 834, right? and they are saying how many were
Okay.
filled. That you will count like this 10, 120 plus 278, that is 405. Now you need to find the percentage. So percentage is the number divided by total into 100.
Sir, why we add, sir, 110, 120, and 275?
Because 10, so on a given day, 10 first AC births, half of 2 AC births, half, okay, half of whatever births are there into second AC. Then 275 third AC births were filled. So they are asking what is the percentage of berths filled in the train on the given day. So that's right. On the given day, so they gave the number. We need to find the percentage. Okay. Okay. I think it's solved. We'll go to the fourth question.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. 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 Let's try. See.
Sir, I have a doubt of 4, 5, 6, and 7
Okay.
because they
Okay.
are
Yes.
interconnected.
Yes. Yes. We'll solve that. Okay. We'll solve that. Okay. Let me do one thing. Before we solve this. No. 4, 5, 6, it is covered. Give me a moment, okay? I can explain. Yeah. Oops. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I think question is readable. Okay, we can try because I need a space to write or something. So see, they are saying a contract for sports jersey of 45 players were given. Okay, the team is being given to a vendor. All the players except two give their preferred size from among the categories XL, L, M, S. Two players A and B do not know which size will fit them. Okay, so they are saying if player A knows that most of the players have similar physique to him. Okay, so A knows that most of them, okay, most of them from this group has similar physique. Okay, similar physique. So, so which jersey can be ordered? So what you want to do is finding the mod, right?
Yes, sir.
Most of the people. Okay, let's see. So size M jersey, if it is mod of the size of jersey, yes, that is true. So he will order M because that is the mod. Most of the people are of M size. Size S jersey, if it's mod of the size of jersey, yes, that is also true. If let's say all the people, most of the people are S size, then he will order S. His physics is like that. Size M jersey, if it's a median of size of jersey. Okay, now we need to see what can be done. Okay, so let's see S, M, L, and XL like this. Okay, now we're saying size M jersey if it is the median of the size of jerseys. Okay, so when can he become median of how many? 43. I mean, for A and B we don't know, right? So this all are 43 only. A and B are outside of this. Uh, 40 or does he counting 44 also? I'm not sure. Okay, I will not count it. We'll see. So 43 are there. So we need to see if this guy is coming out to be 22nd, right? So 21 plus 21 is 42 and plus 1, right? So this, if this is the 22nd one, size M jersey, if it's a median of this. So what we actually want to do is, in 43, let's say 43 guys are there, right? What are the edge cases? Let's say, so we want to see only edge cases. We'll not see normal cases because that are always going to be true, right? So what is the edge case? Let's say 22 people are there who have ordered M size. Okay, who have ordered M sizes. Then let's say we start from S are like, let's say 10 are S, then 22 are M. So M. Then how many remaining? 42, no, sorry, 32. So 10 are there. So let's say some
Sir,
experiment.
how do you define that 22 are in M?
Because we want to give a mod, right? We want a mod. The
We can
So
also
sir, we
take
can
22
make mod
as
as XL or S or sir M.
yes,
sir,
you
we
can
can take
make
22
mod.
as S.
No, you can make mod as 21, 20, anything. But I'm taking mod as 22 because let's say if it's a 21. Now, what if S is 22? How will I know? I mean, I'm not sure, no, that it could become. I mean, then the
Sir,
case is failing.
if I put 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like
No, it will not happen. Like you can't solve like this. You have to see the edge cases only. The, the edge cases is this one. Like you can't make two. Let's say only let's say 21 small size are there. M is there. Then another, how many? This is 22nd guy. Rest of the people are from L. Okay. Rest of the people are from L. Yes, 21, right? So in this case, median is M, but he will not buy M, right? Because he want a mod. He doesn't want median. Can you mute Arman? See, he doesn't want median. He want the mod guy, right? Mod means maximum. Who, which count is the maximum, right? So maximum can happen in many ways, but the edge case is when he is 22, right? So out of 43, when he can be maximum, like 22 guys, right? 22 plus 21. So this is the edge case. Like if this is not the case, I can counter you that what if S is going to be 22? You can say that M is, let's say, 10. M is 10. That's fine. But what if S is 22? Then you will never know, no, that who is the highest. I mean, in this case, like otherwise, right? So we can define that M is 22. M is 22, right? Then we can see what is others. Like let's say 10. S is less than 22. So let's say we have S and M only. Okay, just two cars. Like rest of the t-shirt were not ordered by anyone. L or XL not ordered by anyone. Okay. So let's say S. I will write till what, 21. Okay. Then I'll start from M because M is the median. Right. So 22nd guy is M. Then I'll write M total all the 22 guys. Right. That becomes 43. So in this case only I will see if M is median. Yes, this is true, right? I'll order M in this case only. Rest all the cases are true. You can try it out. Let's say 10, 20.
no, sir, all the cases
Can
are
you
not true. In
explain
the
sir
answer,
one
sir,
more
A, B,
time?
and D are true.
Sir, can you explain one more time? It's not clear.
Sir, if we
Yes,
take
sir.
as 22 and M
I'm
is
also unable to get it, sir.
Median of the size of jersey. If size M jersey, if the median of size of jersey. If no, right? Nothing is cutting out. see. So okay, so what I'm saying is, let's say we want to make we want to see in fourth question if a size M jersey, if it's median of the size of jersey. Okay, so let's say M is median, right? That is confirmed from third. Like the first two are always true because mod we want that. That is always true. Okay, no need to question our judgment on that. Now we are seeing if option C is correct or not. So we are saying M is a median. Okay, so this guy is 22nd. Okay, this is 22nd. Now, what needs to be done if you want to order M to become median as well as mod? So M, what we want to look is M should be median and mod. So can you make a case? So you have to create a case where this is possibility. Can you create that? Where M is mod as well as median. Then we can buy it, right? So to create this case, what I'll do is I'll say that M is median as well as mod. I mean, like, what is the problem? See, I'll buy S as I don't know 21, and then all the rest of the M's, or there are many cases. See, 10S. Okay, so one this is 10. It starts from here. M starts from here. It goes till more than 22nd gate. Okay, so it has to go at least 12. Okay, at least 12. Then can it become mod also? That is a doubt, right? Then it became median, but can it become mod? Depends on L and XL. So in this case, it's a true, right? Always true. Always true. 21S and 22M. Or other ways. Let's say nobody ordered S jersey. Nobody did. Okay. This guy bought 22 people bought M jersey. Then whoever is L, they bought 21. Okay. In this case also it is true. This became median. So M, if you write like this, you reach till 22nd. This is M. Then you go L like this, right? So this guys will be 21. So in this case also it's failing, right? I mean, sorry, in this case also it's true that M is median and mod. This is the only case you want to find out. That is the question. So is there any possibility? Yes, it is a possibility. So yes, it could possible, right? More than one of them can be correct. Yeah, that's given, right? So it is true. Now let's say S. Same thing we can do with S also, right? That S is a median. S is a median and mod.
I don't get it. How it's become median?
What S? How S will become median?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. See, I am ordering 43 guys are there, okay? 43 guys are there. Now, now let's say I order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, this all people bought S size jersey t-shirt, whatever. Okay, jersey. S size jersey they bought. How many are there? 22. Okay, now I started buying M. Okay, whatever the number. You see, the point is the 22nd is the S size. So this become median because this is order data S, M, L, XL. Okay, this is ordinal data. So you can order them. So 22, this become median. And since this is like a huge number, right? It is 22. Now, whatever count you come up of M, whatever count you want of M, L, or XL, it can't become more than half, right? I mean, see, total is 43 minus 22 is 21. It is always going to be smaller than 22. We have 22 people who bought S grade, S size. So this become median as well as mod. So we wanted this case to pass, right? So since this is true, so that's why A, B, C, D, all four are true.
Sir, but in the answer, sir, three options are there.
Then I'm not sure, but see, you can see, right? I mean, I show you the case. There that this is true. This becoming true, right? What I'm saying.
Sir, it will take as
Sir, please check the answer, sir.
23
I okay. I see. I know maybe this question has problem, but this is 2.2, right? 2.2. Check answer. Okay. What that is? Which question? Fourth. Where it is? Fourth one, right? Yes. So they are saying S jersey if it is median of size of jerseys. It is true. But then M also can be size M jersey if it's median of size of jerseys. Okay. Okay. What they are saying for S is if size S jersey is median of size of jerseys, then all the jerseys before 23rd place will be of S size. Will be of S size. That is true. That means number of S size jerseys will be greater than or equal to 22. Yeah, it is always true. It implies that player A will order S jersey if it is median of size, median of the size of jerseys. Correct. But now they are saying M is median. But then we don't know that. Okay, see if they say if they say that
Sir,
at least
43 is a odd number, so then there is a one median, no?
yeah, there is one median only.
Yeah, so.
I mean, this the all the things are different cases. Like this could happen, this could happen. These are like multi-dimensional thing. Okay, one thing can happen and
So
another
M can
thing.
be the median too. Like if the S is very low,
Yes, S
it is
is very low.
supposed to be ordered. So it will be S, M, then L and XL in median. So if S is very low, then M can be the median as well.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, M can be
Sir,
median. Yes.
don't we
I mean,
have a max class right now, sir?
yes. So sorry. So what is the problem?
Sir, do we have a max class right now or?
Stat
Yes, yes,
stat
8
one.
p.m.
Sir?
This is
Today
stat one.
at 8 p.m. Math class.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Then what am I supposed to do, sir?
So explain 5 also.
Have
sir, I
no.
have a doubt.
Sure, but we'll cover this fifth one, sixth one, then we'll go to any other doubt if you have. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
let's see what is the 5. Now I can read. So in 5 they are saying M jersey if it's median of size for jerseys. I think there is 43, okay, chosen size. If player B knows that his jersey size is approximately equal to jersey size of the player with 22nd rank in this anime, which jersey size should be order? So in this case, we want a median. Okay, let's see. M jersey if it's mod of the size M jersey. Okay, another anything like A. This could also become mod and median. This also can become mod and median. So see, this all thing can fail if if the assumption is at least one jersey of each class, each different type has been ordered, at least one. If that is true, then I can't say that then I can't say that size M jersey is a median as well as mod. Then I can't say. I mean, I could become wrong also, but I can become right also. I mean, it's not always true then. Otherwise, it can become always true. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm a little bit confused in this question, sir.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying, that if the consideration is
In this question, assumption is very important, sir. How we assume the thing.
so the thing what we can do is maybe say from my understanding, I will say that all four are true. Maybe the answer given could be wrong. Okay, I'm not saying, but maybe this is right also. Okay, so maybe I need to check with another instructor or Usha ma'am as well. I think this question is wrong from my side.
Okay,
From
sir.
my side, that is true.
Next question, I will ask you.
Okay. Okay. So we can make maybe maybe we can skip this. We can go further. So after
Okay, sir. This will discuss
Sir, I
in the
think in the
next.
fifth one it would only be the median options because
yes. Okay, let's say the first one, right?
Sir,
the mod of it.
Please keep
The
the
mod
question,
it
could
can
be
be
a
sir.
only median because in the question it is mentioned that he buys the same one as the 22nd one, and the 22nd player would be the median. So obviously the options which have median would be ticked.
Sir, would it be possible for you to discuss this question in next session?
Yes, that would be better. See, median can
Yeah.
become mod as well, right? There is no condition that median can't become mod. Mod and median both are
Yeah.
equal.
And
So
we need to confirm that the answer is correct or not.
yes,
Okay.
we can move. So any doubt in question 8,
Okay, sir.
9?
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. In 8 is the doubt. There is a doubt. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, our math class is 8. This will start.
This is not coming in picture. What happened? Okay. Okay, India is home to. Okay, so 8th question. What is the relative frequency of first language speaker of Dravidian language in India? Okay, Dravidian language is Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu. First language speaker. Enter the 4 decimal places. Okay, so they are saying what is the first language speaker? So I have to sum it up. So they are saying some Kannada, some Malayalam also there, Tamil and Telugu. What is the relative frequency of first language speaker? Okay. Then maybe I need to sum this up. I'll sum this up 3.61, 2.88, 5.7, and 6.7. That would be the right answer. Yeah. I think that is the right answer. I mean, that's straightforward, I think. That the doubt is how what is the sum of relative frequency? I mean, that would be the question. So what is the relative frequency of first language speaker? This is this could be wrong, but I mean, they are saying I mean, what I say. We can sum it up and we can find the answer, but the real question, like the question should be like, what is the sum of relative frequency of first language speaker? Otherwise we need to know that what is the relation I mean, relative to what they are talking about. So that is not given. So since otherwise that is the only case. Like add them up and find the answer. So 3.61. Canada, I think this one 2.88. Then this 5.7. Okay, 5.7, 6.7, 2.88, and 3.61, right? So if you sum it up, it will become 18.89. So the approximate foreign speaker outer language in India is 0.1819 relative to the whole. If you say you asked me, this requires a little bit of reframing, but that's okay. We can maybe go to 9 as well. See this also I need to see. Okay, what is Pareto chart representation of data set in table 2.28? Pareto chart representation. So that is a both looks good. But others is coming inside of it. In Bengali is going high, very high. Is it true? 8%. And this speakers are 43%. So in that case, this can't be true. I mean, Bengali can't be Bengali. Oh, sorry, which is there are many. 5 are there. 6. So this can't be true, right? This can't be true. This can't be true. This can't be true. So A and C are out of picture. Now we need to see B. B in which Hindi is okay. This one has Hindi as the highest. This one has Bengali as the highest. 4 of them, right? So Hindi or Bengali. I mean, Bengali can't be there. So Hindi is the right answer. Okay. Yes. So that is the answer. What is the median of data set? Okay, median. You can find it. This is not ordinal data. What is the median? Median is not defined. Yeah, median is not defined. Yes, that is that. So that. Then doubt in question number 11, 12. 13. How many are there? 15. Oh, there are a lot. 22, 23, 24. Okay. So then doubt in 11, 12. Kashika, you have doubt?
Sir, I had a doubt in the previous question, like the question where there was a lot of confusion. In that, I also felt like the mod was wrong because the question is specifying that the data is only one single mod. So it cannot be both of them.
Yes. It cannot be both of them.
Yeah, it's mentioning in the question that it's unimodal. So there can only be one single mod. So I think the mod is also wrong. It's specifying previously, assume the data is unimodal. In the beginning, yeah.
Yeah, so let's say M become mod and S is not a mod. And in case B, S they become mod and M is not a mod. So this all are different cases, right? One case is true, then another is not true. But see, what we have to see is, does this case is like solely true or not? So yes, that is true. I mean, in that cases, right? So I mean, we need to figure it out this question. So kind of you can label.
Sir, I had a doubt in the activity question 5.
Is there any doubt in? Is there any like we'll cover this part? We can go. So I've covered all the activity questions, so we have to go back. So is there any doubt in this 11, 12?
No,
mean,
sir.
all the question 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
I
24.
have
No,
one doubt.
where?
Conceptual doubt.
Not in this. Not so.
Not in
Practice
this, sir.
assignment 2, we can close it.
Yes, sir, we can. I don't have any doubt right now in this question, in this
Okay.
practice assignment.
Okay. So we'll take your doubt and we'll go back and whichever activity question doubt she has it. Okay. So tell
Okay.
me.
So my doubt is how to identify in a question that we have to use pie chart, bar chart, or Pareto chart.
Okay. See, I think it's given in slides. We'll go there.
Yes,
I
sir.
think it's given. Even I'm not sure, but I think it's given in the slides.
Like that, there was a question in practice assignment. Should I read?
Label your data. So have a purpose of every table data pie chart are best to use when you are trying to compare. Yeah, see, know your purpose, right? See, know your purpose. If you can see, okay, they are saying have a
Yes,
purpose of
sir.
every table or graph you create, right? So they're saying
Okay.
pie charts are best to use when you are trying to compare parts to a whole. So when you want to compare
Yes.
the part to whole, like let's say this is a pie, right? What we want to
Yes.
see is uh, how does this pie look like? Which pie is bigger, which pie is smaller, something like this, right? So
Yes.
that's like comparing in between also a little bit, but to whole, like how much we are taking out of the whole thing. Like a bigger portion, is it taking out bigger portion? Is it taking out smaller portion of the whole thing? That you want to see, then you will use pie chart. But you want to see compare things between different groups. Like you want to compare them absolute scale, like really like not uh, not from the whole thing. You can say there is no whole thing at all. Like you can say whatever we have, so like this bar charts are coming out, right?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
they could come out of different things also. Like uh,
Like,
let's say
sir, I
cars
have a
are.
question. Should I read it?
Yes.
There was a question like a poll was conducted by IMDb to rank 200 movies released in 2019 based on the revenue collected. Which group is best suited to represent this data? So the options were pie chart, bar chart, Pareto chart, and none of the above.
Based on rating.
So, based on revenue collected.
Okay, so revenue is collected. So which chart is better? See, there is no way pie chart is better. Okay, because uh, I mean there is no pie in it. What is 100% of it?
Okay. So
I mean,
we'll
I mean
use bar
which,
graph.
right? So either bar or a Pareto, right? Let's say.
But sir, I've selected bar graph, but the answer was Pareto chart.
Okay, yeah. So see, so bar and Pareto differences, it's an ordered one, right? Now, why do you need ordering in this case? AMDB rating like revenue.
Revenue
Let's
collected.
see, there are like IMDB revenue
Yes.
collected with respect to what ratings, right?
No, no, sir, not respect to rating. It was that ranked 200 movies released in 2019 based on the revenue collected.
Okay. So see, still see the only point which can figure out that it's a Pareto is the ranking, right? How will you do ranking in bar chart?
The movie
That
which
is,
have maximum revenue will come on first bar, like that.
yeah. So that is a Pareto chart.
Okay. And sir, if we have many categorical variables, like
Hmm.
a very large number of categorical variables, then
Hmm.
then which type of chart we will use then?
Then also we can use Pareto chart.
Pareto chart of. So,
Yeah, it depends.
what will
Like
be the limitation?
yeah, you want to order them or not? That is the only case. You will order them when there is something, like money is, let's say, associated, which one is higher, lower. When you don't want to order them, when there is no, like order doesn't make any sense at all. Let's say the graph is, uh, what could be that? Mm, yes,
Sir,
there's
I
a
have one.
student getting marks in,
Hmm.
student getting A grades and, I don't know, A grades in sixth, seventh, and eighth standard.
Yes, sir.
Now they are not comparable. Sixth standard, seventh standard. Then you can leave it as it is. Like bar charts will be enough.
Okay.
Okay. So like that. So those cases you can. So Pareto chart is also a bar chart. That is true. But when, the ordering is must, then you make it as Pareto. Otherwise, you just leave it. You can think
Like,
like
sir,
that.
I have one question of practice assignment. I have put that in chat section.
Check.
Yes, if an analyst wants to represent, I put that question. So I have a question: why pie chart can't be an answer?
So you are saying, if an analyst wants to represent the revenue of various companies using graphs, then which of the following are pie chart with pie size for each company, and let me see, pie chart, you will only compare pie chart, you will only make pie chart when, there is a whole thing you should know, like what is the pie in it. A pie chart with
Like
a
when we
pie
have an
size
absolute number.
bar chart company and with, I mean, let's say now see, wants to represent revenue of various companies using graphs, right? Various companies. Let's say he
Yes.
he, he took various means, let's say he took 50 companies, okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
and he drew the graphs and all. Now, let's say if I go to him and I'll ask, why did you took 50 companies and why didn't you took that company, that
Hmm.
51 company? Then you say, okay, I should have taken it. Then he'll take that. Like that, he can take any other company also. I mean, there is no defined boundaries, right? So what is defined
Okay.
boundary? Let's say I'll say, I have 1,000 crore of money. How do I divide it in a way that we can develop our company? Okay.
Hmm.
So you know that there is 1,000 crore only. You can only divide it. There is not going to be more than 1,000 crore. No way, right? Let's say I tell you
Then
that
we'll use
we have,
pie chart.
yeah. So those kind of thing where you have limitations to some kind,
Okay.
those
Yes.
things are represented by pie chart. Let's say election poll happened. So maximum seats are how many? 452? 452 or something, right? 450, let's say. So maximum is
Yes,
that
sir.
only. Nobody is gonna
Yes,
get
sir.
more than 450. So,
Okay.
so that's how it is. Okay. So that's why we can't use pie chart on this list. So we can use bar chart. And let's say revenue is coming in the picture. So we wanted to see
Yes.
which one is earning more, like more revenue earning. So we want to present them in Pareto as well.
Okay. There's a expenditure percentage of expenditure. Then we can compare. We can compare it and we can do it in pie chart.
Yes, yes, something like that. Yes. Right. Let's say
Okay.
let's say you create a project and I tell you what is your contribution. The project is one, your contribution could be
Yes.
50%, 20%. So in this case, it can't go beyond 100%. So those limitation will be used to make a pie chart.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So okay.
Thank you.
So I think we have covered all the things. Okay. Practice assignment, everything. Who wants to leave, they can leave. Who has any doubt, they can stay.
So I have two more doubts. Can I ask?
Yes. But the session is over. Okay. So if anybody has anything, any other class, math class, somebody has problem, so you can join there. Here, if somebody has doubt, they can stay and ask. Just go ahead.
So I have a doubt in the activity 5. Week 2.
activity 5. 2.5. 5.
Yes.
Okay, tell me. Which one?
Question 4 only. I understood about the 46 element, that concept, but I didn't understand how did you know that the C was the 46th element?
Okay. So what you will do is you will start arranging this. Okay, you'll start arranging them. You will start from A or E. Okay, anywhere you can start, doesn't matter. Let's start from A. Okay, you'll start A, 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 A like this. How many A's are there? 15. Okay, so like this, you will go and you will have 15. Then you will start B. Okay, B, B, B. Like this, you will go till how many B's are there? 20. Where did I reach? Okay, sorry, 20.
35.
I reached 35. So total is 91. You can do it. That is 91. I think 35 plus 70, 70 plus 15, 85, 85 plus 6, 91. Okay. So we need to find which one? 46th one. Okay. Still we are at 35. We need 10 more. I'll start C, C, C. Now after some point C, this 10 C I'll write. That will be 45 and 11th is the what? Median. Right? C is the median. Okay. Then later on also I'll go C more. How many? 11, 35 minus 11 is 24. Then I'll write D's and E's. Okay. So the median is coming out to be C. You get it?
Yes, sir.
Or you can create this in spreadsheet. If you know how to use spreadsheet, Excel, Google, Excel, sorry, Microsoft Excel.
Google spreadsheet.
Make A's A, B, C, D, E, write this many times. Okay, 15 times A, 20 times B, 35 times C, all write them, arrange them from ascending order. Anyway, E to A to E. Okay, anyway, arrange them. Then go, which one is the middle one? You will always come across C only. No doubt.
So then last data I had was in week 1 graded assignment.
Week 1 graded assignment.
Yes, sir.
We are not supposed to discuss that, but you can ask. I mean, I won't give you the answer, but I can give you the suggestion if
No,
you
sir,
want.
for week 1, no.
Oh, week 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Week 1. Graded assignment. Week 1. Let's go.
So the last question.
Okay.
So in the last question for the option C, I didn't understand how it is not ordinal, because if you actually see it, there's an order. Like the person who's forward is in the front, midfielder is in the middle, and the defender is behind. So there's actually complete order, and it's categorical as well because you can't perform any numerical operations. So I didn't understand how that statement is incorrect.
Soccer positions has ordinal scale of measure. I
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, I'm here. Okay. See, soccer position, midfielder, forward has a scale. Positions are so you are saying they are. I mean, I know that.
Sir, as much as you can't
I
perform
mean,
relations. So it's
The way this trend is like, let's say forward is here, midfielder goes like this, and defender are at the last of this
so it's the forward is in the front, midfielder
of
is in
the
the
ground,
middle,
right?
and defender is behind. So
Yeah, yeah.
like I googled this meaning. So from there only I got to know. So it's actually
Okay.
completely in order.
Okay. So like this is the ground, this is the half of some. This is the goal post, right? Yeah, ring like this. Okay, goal post. Okay. So defend forwards stand here somewhere, midfielder are there, and defenders are like this. And this where goalie is there, like goalkeeper. So you are saying that they are actually in order.
Yes, sir.
Or in a scale of measurement. Yeah. So that's what written, right? What is the problem then?
Yes, sir.
I mean,
It choose the incorrect statements. And in the answers, the third one
Oh.
is the incorrect statement. So I don't find how it's incorrect. I find it correct only.
okay. Um, they do has a scale. I mean, they do have an order. I don't see any way that they don't have any order, and they are
Same.
nominal.
Yeah.
Mm, what importance wise? No. The position, right? Shocker position has ordinal scale of measurement.
And sir, even if it's like not arranged, but it can be arranged in an order, so it does make it ordinal.
I think it is ordinal.
There is a question wrong.
I don't think so. My understanding about soccer or this football is not there like that. Can't. I have no idea though.
Like,
I mean,
so,
I have no idea about the soccer positions. I don't know. I have
so
this idea that they are like this, but why they can't be? Why
if
they
you
can't be? Or
if you just Google about the positions, then midfielder is in the center, defender is center back, and forward is in the forward. So it is actually going in order. So Even I don't know the meaning of them, but I just Googled them.
Yeah, that is correct, but I mean, but that depends on. See, there is one case where, but this is not true. That depends on the manager strategy also. Sometimes they are this like forward position, midfielder position, and defender, something like that. They do interchange also. I mean, midfielder come here and forwards are behind or something like that. Like it depends on manager strategy. So sometimes that happens, but usually this is true. But I'm not sure. Like I can't can't say much about this. Defender, midfielder, forward. Positioning. I I have no idea. I mean, I can't answer you.
Okay, so maybe you can discuss with the other teachers and just let me know.
Yeah.
Because I think it is correct.
Yeah. I don't know. I need to find the reason of if this is why this is true or not true, but I don't have any answer now.
Okay, sir. So can we leave now?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You can stop recording. Yeah, thank you. Hello. You
Yes,
can
sir.
stop recording. You can stop ITM, no, IT Madras, whoever is. Studio team. Studio. Hello. Okay. You can stop this. Right. Can I do? Record.